ChatGPT, when and how did it begin? Introduction. Hello everyone, AI is now an essential part of our lives. But how did ChatGPT start? How did it become so popular? Let's dive into the incredible history of ChatGPT. The beginning, 2015 to 2020. It all started with OpenAI. In 2015, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and other researchers founded OpenAI with the goal of advancing artificial intelligence. In 2018, OpenAI introduced GPT-1, but it was very basic. Then in 2019, GPT-2 was released, which was significantly improved but not fully open to the public initially due to concerns about misuse. The rise of ChatGPT, 2020 to 2022. In 2020, OpenAI launched GPT-3, which revolutionized AI conversations. But the real game changer was on November 30th, 2022, when OpenAI released ChatGPT. Within just 5 days, it reached 1 million users. By January 2023, it surpassed 100 million users, making it one of the fastest-growing platforms in history. ChatGPT's evolution and GPT-4, 2023 to 2024. In 2023, OpenAI introduced GPT-4, which was even more powerful, multilingual, and feature-rich. OpenAI integrated APIs, ChatGPT+, the code interpreter, and DALL-E, making it smarter and more useful. The future of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot, it's becoming an essential tool in our daily lives. But what does the future hold for AI? Only time will tell. What do you think the future of AI will be like? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.